Assalamualaikum and very good evening, all students. So today we will discuss on the chapter 4 regarding how to construct the project background and executive summary. So this section, uh, which the beginning of your report will provide uh, first view and what you want to develop, and also you give the summary of your documents. So normally the background and executive summary is fall under introduction chapter. Some of the uh, writer they separate between executive summary and project background. Okay, so why we need to teach you? Okay, why I want to stress here, and we create one chapter how to create or write the project background and the executive summary. So firstly, you have to understand that the project business or the business proposal report is will be read by the top management, and some of them are not a technical person, so they don't interested to read your SRS or your SDP, which is a lot of technical model or technical architecture in the document, which they may not understand it. So what they interested on in the business proposal report is about the value of the money that they have to spend, and they have to judge from your report whether this project is a value to the company, which is it the right investment to do, and to improve their business process. And of course they want to see the return of investment. So after use the your system, maybe the sale will be increased. Yeah, maybe uh, the work process will be improved. Okay, uh, less human resource required, and all the process maybe will be through yeah, electronic. So at the beginning uh, of the report, normally we show you one of the example. Yeah, so this is a last project that I created. I think this project is very long time ago, 1999. I don't know whether you already born in this world or not. So this document is still keep in my computer. So this project is the financial accounting system. Yeah. So this is a standard for my company last time when we want to propose a project to the vendor or to the customer. So this is a format that we have to use. Different company they have a different format of business proposal. Okay, so if you look at the table of content of this sample of the project proposal, so it starts with the introduction first. Yeah, start with introduction and executive summary. So let me go to the introduction. So the introduction talks about the system, yeah, and about the background also. So firstly, they will touch on the uh, what is the financial accounting system all about. Yeah, and they will this report will touch about the importance of computerization of financial accounting system. And then they, in the second paragraph, they touch about the finance and procurement document department, yeah, or who or which section in the company. So under MKAG, Sdn Bhd company, will use this system. Okay, and the third paragraph they will talk about the module, yeah, and the fourth they will talk about the uniqueness of the proposed system, yeah, to be to be developed and to be used by the MKAG Sdn Bhd. So this name is I have to use a different name for confidentiality. Yeah. Okay. So in the introduction, see, we don't have any bullet point. Yeah. As we compared with your reports, so a lot of bullet. So avoid from use the bullet, but you need to explain. Yeah. From the beginning. For example, in this introduction, they start with the benefit of the computerization of the system. Yeah, and then when you read this introduction, it bring you, yeah, it will bring the reader. Okay, oh, this is a proposed system. This is a current situation, and this is a benefit that they have. And then, oh, this is the uniqueness of the proposed system, or maybe the uniqueness will help the company to boost the customer, to uh, improve the efficiency of working style and so on. So this is things that normally the owner or the user want to see, and what, this is what they expect to have the new system, which is they invest on. Yeah, and then you also touch, yeah, so in this format of the project, so when they give the some overview introductions, and then they will touch about the contents of the reports, and then they repeat. So okay, this report content of the executive summary, contents of the project scope, contents about the project management. This report describe about the project organization, yeah, high level project work plan. Okay, this is all the chapter inside your business proposal report. Okay, so this will easy for the audience to read your reports. So they will spot which part that very important, which chapter is very important for them, and then they will get the information uh, very fast. Yeah? Let's say they normally the top management very interested on the cost benefit and analysis or high level budget. Yeah, the budget incurred or need to be spent by the company. Okay, so this is one example of introduction, or maybe you can change the background of the project into the introduction. So that means the background is inclusive in the introduction. Okay, so when you write your uh, business proposal report like this, where is it? Okay, this one. So this is under introduction, right? So you write the objective, you maybe you write the project background. So you can copy this one. Example, yeah, the introduction of this report. This is an example, yeah. You don't copy everything what I show to you. Yeah. I believe that you can pause the video and then you copy that. Okay, this is an example, yeah, how to build your uh, project background. Okay, so this is under background. It's a very long word, yeah, but please limit only in one page only, yeah, one page long for the introduction. Okay, I try to make it okay. Okay, see, this is a project background of the project. This is an example, yeah. So objective. So you need to update your document, uh, the objective of the project. Okay. So now uh, we go to another things that very important is the executive summary. Okay, so project background, as I mentioned to you just now, and another one is a executive summary. Okay, so when you look at the uh, some of the project report, they use executive summary instead of introduction. Yeah. So normally executive summary previews the main point of an the main point in depth reports. Yeah? It is written for non-technical people who don't have time to read the main report. So uh, executive summary is different with the introduction or the background of the project. Yeah. So executive summary summarize the report. Yeah. They summarize the contents of the report. Uh, Not like this one. This is not summarized. Yeah. This is tell to the they just tell to the user or reader what is the contents of the uh, reports. Yeah. But the executive summary it summarizes the contents of the report uh, in a meaning manner. Meaning manner means you can when you read the report, so you know that uh, what is going uh, what is the going on the report on the system to be developed. Yeah. So this is example. So you know the purpose of the system. Yeah. uh, and then you know what is the following module cater. Yeah. At the beginning, the executive summary will describe about the value. Yeah. About the benefit of the system. And then normally the executive summary is just focus on the very important things. Yeah. So this is an example. This executive summary focus on the system. Yeah, what the system do, and then they will focus on the uh, methodology, how this system will be managed and developed, yeah, using what kind of methodology. And then uh, it touch about the implementation date. Yeah, and also the when the project will be completed. Yeah. And then it talks about the budgetary. Yeah. So it just mentioned on one line. So MKAG financial accounting system is budgeted to cost about 328,000, for example. And then it talks about the requirement. Yeah. Requirement of the staff. So we just mention that we require 13 full-time staff, yeah, to deploy in this project. So the reader or user can be visualized that, oh, this project is quite big, yeah, and then it is rational to spend about 328,000. Okay, and then you tell about the resources required will be another resource required. Okay, maybe you because this one page is not enough to write everything of the report, so you just mention that the detail of the requirement of the system or description of the project will be catered in the next section or chapter. Okay, class. So in our report, our business proposal report, we don't have executive summary, right? So this is our objective. Write down all your system objective. Here, in sentences. Okay, avoid of using bullet style of writing. Okay. So this is this uh, business proposal or system proposal. Okay, this is project proposal report. Okay, as the reader as the readers are likely laymen and businessmen. Okay. Okay, what you need to do when you put your objective in bullet points, so convert it into the sentences, yeah, sentences, and describe more, not just one line. Okay, so now you got the background of the project. You got introduction and the objective. You got the project background. Uh, okay, if you want to put the executive summary, so you can put under this one, yeah. Firstly, so this is under executive summary. Okay, so the sequence is maybe like this, or you can put executive summary after the background of the projects. Yeah, this is too long. Uh, oh, no spaces. Huh? So I give one a full example. This is the executive summary and yeah. Okay. Okay. So under the introduction, we have executive summary, objective, uh, sorry, the back objective, background of the projects. Yeah. So when you look at this format, delete this one. Okay, when you look at this document, you see this now it looks more professional. Yeah, professional format, and the information is very comprehensive. When you read this document, so you can imagine and you can visualize uh, what what is the project all about. Okay. Okay, class, I think that's it. How I want to show you uh, how to create the project background and also the executive summary. So you can refer to the lab script that I given to you, how to construct the project background and executive summary. So read this script or notes and how to write the project background. We got 4 steps how to write the project background. Okay, you read by yourself. So I think I already explained how to write the project background. But the most important thing that the first thing and the most of the thing that you have to have, and what are the information that you have to know is a is about of the system. Yeah, so you need to evaluate with your system to be developed, then you can write the project background. If you don't have information about your project background, so you need to do the research. Yeah? Read and do a benchmarking with other system, right? And then you can write, and then you can explain in comprehensive. Yeah. So first step is consider your audience, explain how the project relate to other relevant project. Okay. Step 3, describe the effect of the projects. Yeah, let's say if this project is not implemented, and what happened to the current business process. Yeah. Explain the different module or subsystem involved in the project. Yeah. Do not provide unnecessary information, but include enough to give the reader a well-rounded understanding, yeah, of the overall project or application system to be developed. So you need to mention the very important module to the reader so that they can appreciate. Yeah. So don't explain about the very technical module, for example, system administration. So that is not very high value to them. So you need to, let's say, when you develop the financial accounting system, so you need to explain about the general ledger, for example, the account payable, account receivable, the procurement, where you can automate the system, and uh, the working style can be improved. Yeah, can be more efficient when they got the new system. Okay, and we also write here. I also explain here how to write the executive summary. So we have step by step tip. It's about 7 step how to write the executive summary. Yeah, so I give you an example just now. I already give the example uh, how to write the executive summary. Okay, so this is another example of background of the project. So this is another business proposal that I wrote for others organization. So we start with the introduction, which include the objective, background. Okay, so because of we develop the e-health for or clinic for a organization, so we need to explain the background of e-health in the context of in Malaysia and also across the world. Yeah, because this will bring them the idea, the importance of the electronic medical record computerization. Yeah, so this is a part to rationalize the user, why they need to invest a certain amount of budget to get the system. Okay, see, I give a background of e-health in Malaysia because we do a healthcare system. We propose a healthcare system for the certain organization. So we talk about the e-health in Malaysia, overview delivery of healthcare in Malaysia. Okay, so why it's so important for the organization, because Malaysia or Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia or Ministry of Health is already start computerize their business process. Okay, so this is like promotion, yeah, promotion what you propose to do. Okay, and then you start the objective of e-health, for example, yeah, benefit, yeah, uh, to the patient, to the healthcare provider, and to the management, to the policymaker, and also to the community. See, at the first chapter, you give the background, yeah, background of the system to be developed, so that user can appreciate and they understand why the proposed solution is important, and the return of investment when they put some budget is very beneficial to the organization. And then this is very comprehensive explanation. Yeah, so this is an example I given to you. So this is a sample, yeah, sample of business or project proposal that I expect you uh, write in your business proposal, business project proposal for your assignment. Okay, what else? So this is very simple project proposal. Yeah, we will discuss later. Today I just want to explain on how to write the activity summary, and I give you an example. And then I also discuss how to write the project background, which is inclusive in the introduction. Yeah, so the project background is not necessarily you put project background in the title, but normally under introduction you put all the background inside in the paragraph. Okay, class, that's it. We see you later in the next video. Thank you very much, and